Looking for a powerful partner for your fleet? Discover how TLG Leasing and Rental can move your business forward with our selection of Peterbilt Vocational trucks. From construction sites to delivery routes, TLG offers a full range of vocational trucks built for the toughest jobs. Choose from rugged roll-offs, hard-working dump trucks, and even refuse trucks. All ready to work for you whenever you need a 3 or 7 axle dump truck or even a trash truck to fill in on your route. With our leasing and rental program, you get access to the latest Peterbilt models, giving your team the tools they need to get the job done with flexibility and reliability. Plus, you get the support and expertise of our award-winning leasing team. Our flexible lease agreements and rental plans are designed to fit your goals and boost your profitability. Whether you want short-term support or a long-term solution, TLG makes it easy to expand your fleet with high-quality Peterbilt trucks. We handle the details so you can focus on what you do best, your business. Join companies nationwide who trust TLG's experience and track record. Explore leasing and rental options tailored for your needs, so you're always ready for the next big job. Ready to get behind the wheel of a Peterbilt lease truck? Visit TLGtrucks.com to learn more or contact us today. TLG Leasing, driving your business forward to keep you on uptime all the time.